Drones are part of everyday life. We're used to seeing them, we're used to reading about them. But more and more we're seeing drones used for unwanted or illegal activities. We call it the 3 Cs: clueless, careless and criminal.
All flights in and out of Gatwick, Britain's second busiest airport, have been suspended after 2 drones were seen flying near the runway.
The risk of a deadly drone attack. Experts fear terrorists could use drones loaded with bombs or chemical weapons to target public gatherings.
On the counter UAS, this has become an increasing problem. It's only a matter of time before the threat manifests in a violent way.
Terrorist organizations have an interest in using drones, and I think the expectation is it's coming here imminently.
So it's only a matter of time, we fear, until we watch them use it to actually transfer IEDs or other explosive materials. They disrupt our surveillance and they cause problems with our communication already.
You've only got to Google drones and ISIS to see what I mean.
Consumer drones, flown by ISIS, small, quick, hard to hit, and outfitted with grenades. These attacks have been slowing Iraqi forces for weeks.
And that's where DroneShield comes in. DroneShield is a fast-moving technology company. We have a wide range of integrated and sophisticated products and platforms that address the off-the-shelf and custom fixed-wing and quadcopter markets. We've had a lot of success globally. Everything from mass crowd events to the protection of critical infrastructure such as prisons and airports, the Winter Olympics in South Korea to global military applications. We are a global leader in our space and we address a wide range of use cases. The market for our products and services is growing rapidly.